Struggling with cloudy shower doors and dull bathroom tiles? Here's a fast and easy hack to remove soap scum without hours of scrubbing. In this video, I'll show you a simple method using items you already have at home to make your glass, tiles, and fixtures shine again. Definition: soap scum is the filmy, chalky residue left behind when soap mixes with hard water. It clings to glass, tiles, and metal, making surfaces look dirty even when they're not. Why importance? If left untreated, soap scum builds up, traps bacteria, and damages the shine of surfaces. Regular removal keeps your bathroom fresh, hygienic, and easier to clean in the long run. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Mix equal parts white vinegar and dish soap in a spray bottle. Step 2. Spray the solution generously on the soap scum-covered area. Step 3. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to break down the residue. Step 4. Wipe the surface with a sponge or microfiber cloth. Step 5. Rinse with warm water and dry with a clean towel for a streak-free finish. Tools explained: you'll need a spray bottle, white vinegar, dish soap, a sponge or microfiber cloth, and warm water. Workflow: spray, wait, wipe, rinse, dry. Quick tips: warm the vinegar before mixing for even better results. Use a squeegee after every shower to slow down future buildup. For stubborn spots, sprinkle a little baking soda before wiping. Cost comparison: this hack costs just a few cents per use with vinegar and dish soap, compared to store-bought bathroom cleaners that can cost several dollars each. That's how you remove soap scum fast and easy without expensive cleaners. Give this hack a try and enjoy sparkling clean bathroom surfaces. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more smart cleaning tips.